Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tackling the Mn1 citizenship application for your UK-born child. It's a huge milestone. Home office paperwork is definitely stressful, but let's make this super easy.
Here's the roadmap. Prepare docs, fill the form, do biometrics, and upload. Simple, right?
Phase 1. Let's get your documents totally sorted before you even touch that keyboard. First up, you need 2 referees. They must have known your child for 3 years or since birth. Referee 1, any nationality but must be a professional. Referee 2, absolutely must be British.
Pro tip for passport photos, use a phone app to remove the background, then print them locally.
Attach 2 photos to the referee forms, 2 for declarations, and get that parent consent signed. Phase 2 is the online form. Create an account with your email so you don't lose progress. They'll ask for your child's UK birthplace, BNO passport, BRP, and Hong Kong ID numbers. Parents, you gotta provide your settlement dates, BNO nationality, and your exact marriage details. Also, input your referees' addresses for the past 3 years, plus their exact passport numbers. Phase 3. After paying, download your declarations and book that UK biometrics appointment online. Grab your uploads, all passport pages, your settlement proof, birth certificate, and the consent forms. Watch out for this trap. The Home Office strictly limits every document to just 7 megabytes. Got a massive PDF on your Mac? Let's use a hidden trick to shrink it down. Just open it in Preview, hit Export, and select the Reduce File Size filter. Still over 7 megabytes? No problem. We're going to build a custom compression filter. Open the Color Sync utility in Applications, add a custom filter, and select Image Compression. Set image sampling to low. Now apply this brand new filter when exporting from Preview. Boom! Your files are compressed under the limit and ready for the upload portal. Ready to hit Submit? Double check everything. Citizenship is a huge step. Are you excited for the next chapter?